Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here two devices, and the device in question we have the um, S26 Ultra, and we have over here the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So as you can see, this iPhone 17 Pro Max, and over on this side we have the S26 Ultra. All right. Now, one of the cool features with this device is that you are now able, guys, on your new S26 Ultra with the latest updates, you can actually airdrop files over to your iPhone. All right, so I'll be showing you how to do that on in this situation. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, in order to airdrop is that we're gonna make sure that if you're not already updated, you're gonna go to your settings. So go ahead and go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, as seen here, you're gonna go ahead, you can scroll down, you can go to software update, and of course you can check for the latest updates. So as you can see here, this is the One UI 8.5, and what we're gonna do in this case is that you can always check for updates. As mine is already updated, you're gonna get the latest update, so that's the first step. All right, so as you can see, it's up to date. It says my software is up to date. Next, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna check your settings. So you can again go to your settings, and this time we're gonna go into the option related to. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the option here that says connections. So once you're going to connections, you're gonna tap on connections. Alright, so once we go on connections, we're gonna go over to the option here, and you'll be able to find it all the way at the base here. It should say quick share. You can always use your search. So what you're gonna do here is go to quick share. So I'm gonna tap on that. Now if you enter quick share, you're gonna scroll down a bit. I have obscure section of the screen because there's some information at the top pertaining to email and so on. All right, so here make sure that share with Apple devices is on. So as you can see here, I've toggled on the option that says share with Apple devices. So once we know that that's on, the next step is to go over to the iPhone itself. So on your iPhone, you're gonna go as well into your settings. Now over here, you're gonna go into your airdrop settings. So you're gonna find the option related to airdrop. All right, so it's very easy. Go to general. You're gonna go to airdrop. And of course, once you're in this section here with airdrop, you're gonna switch this over to everyone for 10 minutes. For whatever reason, you have to always come here to make sure it's set to 10 minutes. Now, of course, here on this device, I'm gonna snap a photo. So I'm gonna snap a random photo of this, my iPhone box. And of course, I'm gonna open up the photo. And in terms of airdrop, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on share. Now, once I'm on share here, next I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use quick share. And here it goes. It says share with Apple devices. It says you can, as you can see here, it says you can share with iPhone, iPads, Macs, and other Apple supported devices. All right, so it says your phone may temporarily disconnect from Wi-Fi networks in sharing with Apple devices. All right, so that's a quick warning there. We can always click, and there you go. It shows up. It says my Ricardo's iPhone 17, which is this device here. So of course we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click, and there we go. Over here I'm gonna hit accept, and it's sharing, and as you can see, the process is taking place. And there you go, it says airdrop complete. Alright guys, so now that airdrop is complete, we're gonna find the file. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the gallery. Alright guys, and here we go. There's the file, and it's been successfully taken. So my iPhone 17, sorry, my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra was able to take a photo and share it with the iPhone. So now that in the past where we couldn't share with these devices, it's now shareable. All right, so it's now exclusive to the S26 Ultra, and you can actually airdrop files over to any iPhone. And of course, I'm sure it will most likely work in the reverse, where we can actually send files over. Simply make sure those settings are set, and this has been a tutorial how to do that on your device. Hope this was Hope this was useful, guys. And as always, if you have any questions, you can ask them below. It's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.